Dear viewers, I'm excited to provide this overview of the deeply impactful book, The Power of Now, by Eckhart Tolle. Since its publication over 25 years ago, it has gone on to sell over 2 million copies worldwide, showing how its message continues resonating for so many. When I first discovered this work, something inside knew it was sharing valuable insights. At the time, I struggled with stress and heaviness from dwelling in thoughts of the past or future. But Tolle gently taught the profound simplicity of presence. The book is structured to take readers through the transformative principles of living fully present, observing thoughts from still awareness rather than believing them, and awakening to our true nature as timeless consciousness beyond mental concepts. Key chapters address topics like the pain body, how to transcend suffering, identifying with presence instead of past-future, and realizing your natural state of ease. Tolle uses everyday examples to illustrate these powerful yet simple ideas. For those curious about experiencing more joy, freedom, or relief from stress, this book provides practical tools. I'd especially recommend it if you feel drained by overthinking or wanting to shift out of reactionary mind patterns. The language stays friendly for all to understand. You don't have to analyze intellectually either, just see what touches your essence. I hope conveying this work's beautiful message can benefit those seeking within, like it did me all those years ago. Here are 7 of the top quotes from Eckhart Tolle's powerful book, The Power of Now. Number 1. You are not your mind. This teaching resonated with me, realizing my identity is not defined by random thoughts. Number 2. Presence is the only thing that counts. Living fully in each moment brings far more joy than dwelling on the past or future. Number 3. Suffering is caused by resistance to the present moment. Accepting what is with ease and grace eliminates suffering. Number 4. It is possible to be completely present and yet unaware of yourself as presence. Be fully where you are without self-consciousness. Number 5. To the extent you accept what is, to that extent you are at peace. Non-acceptance is the source of all suffering. Inner peace comes through presence and acceptance. Number 6. The past has no power over the present moment. Choosing to be defined by the past only creates more pain. Number 7. The power of now is the power of life itself, the pulse of eternity. Connection to the eternal now liberates us from fear and limitation. Here are 5 key lessons I took away from reading Eckhart Tolle's profound book, The Power of Now. Number 1. Presence. Living completely present in the now is the ultimate path to peace and happiness. It's the only time that truly exists. Number 2. Mind versus awareness. Become the observing awareness behind thoughts instead of identified with mental chatter. See the mind as a useful tool, but not who you are. Number 3. Acceptance. Non-resistance and acceptance of what is, without judgments, eliminates all suffering. The past and future have no power over the present moment. Number 4. Stillness. Developing the ability to witness thoughts from a place of inner stillness, calm, and detachment is life-changing. Number 5. Identifying with consciousness. Realizing your true nature and identity is not the mind or ego, but the eternal conscious witness behind all thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Gaining awareness of this new perspective allows one to abide in the power and peace of now. And so, dear viewers, I leave you with these final thoughts as we reflect on the wisdom Eckhart Tolle has so generously shared in The Power of Now. Remember always, you are not limited by what you know or think. You are the deathless, timeless consciousness witnessing it all. Peace does not come from circumstances changing. It is already within you, waiting to be remembered. The mind may be gripped by worries, the body by sickness, but beyond them both, you are whole and complete. The power to be free of suffering lies within your grasp in this very moment. All that is asked is that you awaken and see with new eyes. May you realize the power of now. And in so realizing, may you know true freedom. This has been What Books to Read. Until next time.